Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As I already told you about functional foods, now part 2. The number 1, the food which comes in functional food is antioxidant. Let's see what is antioxidant. Antioxidants are substances that protect cell from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidant effect. The normal functioning of cells is depend on a proper balance of pro-oxidants and antioxidants. The former promote the release of oxygen to provide the energy needed for cell functioning. In this process, different biochemical reactions takes place, which continuously produce various free radicals. Antioxidants help to neutralize and counteract the deleterious free radicals, but the natural mechanisms may prove to be inadequate, especially in poor environments. In addition to free radicals generated as a part of the natural metabolic process, the body also has to deal with the free radical species derived from the environmental contaminants such as smoke, carcinogenic chemicals derived from food additives and industrial effluent and radiations. Free radicals promote lipid peroxidation of membrane lipids. Impairing cell function, they could damage cellular proteins and DNA. They could cause peroxidation of circulating lipoprotein lipids, thus converting them into more dangerous form. Cumulative tissue injury, thus caused by free radicals, is now known to underlie the pathogenesis of such diverse conditions as cancer, atherosclerosis, and heart disease, radiation damage, and accelerated aging. The natural antioxidants are easily absorbable in human system. Dietary components identify as antioxidants are beta carotene, vitamin C and E, niacin, riboflavin, sulfur containing amino acids. They provide the reducing thiol groups for proteins and glutathione. GHS and have positive antioxidant properties. Phytochemicals with antioxidants properties are mostly phenolic acids and flavonoids occurring in living cells as glycosides. Example includes flavones, isoflavones, flavonones, chalcone, coumarins, and cinnamic acid. Dietary antioxidants can be nutrients or non-nutrients. Naturally occurring isoflavones are found mainly in Leguminosae family. Some of the foods which are considered as rich sources of antioxidants phytochemicals are garlic, onion, ginger, oats, sweet potato, soybean, tea, oil seeds, herbs and spices. Black pepper, clove, oregano, rosemary, thyme, and turmeric have been shown to possess antioxidant activity. Sources of nutrient oxidants. Let's see. Sources of antioxidants. Number 1. Beta carotene comes from green leafy vegetables, ripe yellow fruits and vegetables like papaya, muskmelon, mango, pumpkin, carrots. Vitamin C. Citrus fruits like orange, lemon, sweet lime, guava, gooseberry, and sprouted pulses. Next is vitamin E. Comes from cereals, cereal products, oil seeds, and nuts. Selenium and zinc. Meat, seafoods, and cereals. Next is copper. Oysters, liver, mushroom, nuts, chocolates. And last one comes iron, that is meat, liver, green leafy vegetables, cereals, millets, and pulses. If you like the video, please subscribe and share. Thank